Hello and welcome back to my channel Velo Fan in my little mini series on Paiste cymbals. So this one, you probably guessed from the title, is about the Paiste Formula 602 16-inch flat ride. Now I believe Paiste invented the flat ride cymbals for Joe Morello. I'm guessing he used a 20-inch, maybe it was the 18-inch, I'm not sure. This is a 16-inch version. And I do have another flat ride, same model. I think it's the 20-inch. I'll do another video for that in the future. So this particular cymbal was owned by Frank Perry, and you can Google him to find out what bands, well, what musicians he played with. And he was made an endorsee for Paiste in 1973 or 1974, and this cymbal is from 1974. And I think a year or two after getting this cymbal, he changed direction musically and went into a spiritual kind of music using world instruments. So this cymbal was only used for probably a year or two, so it hasn't had that much use. It's been in storage for a long time, and I don't know the best way to clean them without possibly losing the ink stamps, so I've left it as is. But condition wise, from a playing point of view, great condition. So this little video is just purely for the sound references of these cymbals in case you're looking to buy one. I did stop playing drums probably 25 years ago, and I haven't done any practice or anything. This is not trying to show off any drumming techniques, it's just purely trying to make a little video that someone might find useful if they're wanting to know what this cymbal sounds like. Well, I hope this will get a good sound, but it's very difficult to record cymbals sound wise. Anyway, I will start playing so you can hear what this cymbal sounds like. Okay, so there you go. Now we're going to have the underside image of the cymbal. I always show the underside of the cymbal just because it might help you when you're looking to buy one. Again, you might look at it and think, it doesn't look quite right, you know. But you can look at this one and know this is a 74 example of the 602. So you can see you've got the 16-inch marked there. Also the patents, I guess that's because, like I say, they introduced this flat ride, and the big Paiste logo at the bottom. Yeah, I don't know what much else to say about it really. Yeah, I could try and give you a bit of a close up for the finish, surface finish. Very, very lightly hammered. Very lightly hammered. The scoring isn't that deep either. But I don't think the camera's going to pick it up too good, so we'll have a little look. Because of the light, it's pretty bad. I was playing using some Vic Firth Jack DeJohnette sticks, and the cymbal was mounted on a stand connected to the bass drum, so I'm hoping that didn't interfere with the sound too much. And anyway, yeah, so thanks for watching. Number 3, like I say, there'll be a 4th video coming up soon. Thank you.